Oh, look at how.
Ja, vi sitter ja.
I like the smell.
Ah, yeah, it's good.
I 1672 på ordre fra Christian den 5., som her ønskede, at sømændene kunne sejle ind til Kongens Nytorv med deres skibe. Det var også her, at sømændene boede, det var også her, de gik i byen, og derfor så havde havnen i rigtig mange år et rigtig dårligt rygte. I dag der er Nyhavn dog mere en museumshavn for gamle træskibe, som I kan se. Og så er alle bygningerne her i Protect. Der siger det hvide smalle hus nummer 67 lige til højre for det store brune herinde, der boede hos Hansen. Hans Christensen. And the new harbor was not supposed to be called New Harbor, but named after Ulrik von Gyldenløve's harbor. But since as the citizens of Copenhagen kept referring to the harbor as the new harbor, the name eventually stuck. And now, I would like you all to remain seated when we pass beneath the lowest bridge on the tour. Og jeg vil gerne bede jer alle sammen om at blive siddende nu, når vi skal under den laveste bro på turen.
Sure, bend your head. Duck style, duck. Oj, oj.
Den kendte danske eventyrdigter Hans Christian Andersen boede også en del af sit liv her i Nyhavn. Han flyttede egentlig til København fra Odense af i 1817, og det var for at blive balletdanser. Det var måske meget godt, at han ikke slog sig på det, trods alt. Men hun er stor, hvilket selvfølgelig også kunne forklare hendes triste ansigtsudtryk. Den lille havfrue her, altså skulpturen, har også mistet sit hoved 2 gange. Begge gange er det blevet skåret af. Første gang genfandt han ikke hovedet, det gjorde man.
Okay. Hi, Stein. So here we are, going up to Prekastollen. And the trail, we're about 2 kilometers right up the trail, or maybe 1.5 kilometers. It's taken us about an hour because the trail has been almost in places straight up. And speaking of straight up, the trail follows this. See that? And then it goes up over that cliff. That's where we're going. All the way up there. And there goes Stein. And here we are starting to go up the steep cliff. The trail is marked by these red T's on the rocks. You have to just kind of follow the red T's. And so here we start going up all the way up there. I'm paying to do this. This is my vacation. I'm coming. The climb is just about done. We're almost at the tippy top. We did it. We're getting there. See, almost to the top. Almost straight up it was. Here we are at the tippy top. I did it.
Another mountain.
Oh, we have to go up there.
That's just the name of the